Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the selector switch assembly in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws to release the terminal block cover. Cut the zip ties securing the selector switch assembly wire harness. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the assembly to the front panel. Pull the assembly away from the panel. Note the orientation of the selector switch assembly wires attached to the terminal blocks. Then use the small flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws to release the wires. To install the new selector switch assembly, insert the wires into the appropriate terminals on the terminal blocks and tighten the screws to secure. Position the selector switch assembly in the front panel and thread the 2 mounting screws. Use new zip ties to secure the wire harness. Reposition the terminal blocks in the housing and align the cover. Thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.